Question 27, your given displacement function is this. Find the greatest distance. Now, greatest distance happens when dx dt is 0. Yeah, dx dt is your velocity. So maybe I differentiate directly and call it v. So here we have to use what formula can I use? Can I use composite function? No, because your numerator is a variable. So we have to use quotient rule. So your v is t squared plus 1. U prime differentiate 1t is 1. Minus copy your u, which is t. Differentiate your v, you get 2t over t squared plus 1 squared. T squared plus 1 minus 2t squared. T squared plus 1 squared. 1 minus t squared plus 1. Okay? So we know that the greatest distance happens when velocity is 0. Now, and like I said earlier, it's only affected by a numerator, the top part. So t squared is 1, denominator doesn't matter. T squared is 1, t must be 1, more than 0. So I got the time distance. So sub 1 inside. The maximum distance, if you like, or greatest distance is 1 over 1 squared plus 1, 0.5, 1 over 2. Okay? Okay, the second part, find the acceleration at the instant where p is at the greatest distance from O. To find acceleration, we have to differentiate your velocity. I've got my velocity function. Now I have to differentiate one more time. Now this is a bit annoying because we have to use quotient rule. Quotient rule involves composite function. So my A will be what? Bring here, which is t squared plus 1 square. U prime, differentiate this, minus 2t. Minus copy your u, 1 minus t squared. Differentiate the bracket, bring the power down. Copy the bracket, reduce the power by 1, differentiate inside, over v squared. Okay, now you are actually not supposed to simplify it. You can just substitute what inside? T squared squared. Okay, did I make a mistake here? Yeah, t squared squared. So this is t power, can I write power 4? Yeah, okay. Now, we're not, we don't have to simplify, don't waste time, because we already know we need to find acceleration when your time is what? 1. So I think it's easier we sub 1 inside. This is 1 plus 1 square minus 2. This is 1 minus 1. In fact, this whole thing will be 0 because you have the 1 minus 1 here. This is 0. You can ignore it. This is a 1 plus 1 with the power 4. So this will give us 2. 2 squared is 4. 4 times minus 2 is negative 8. This is 2 power 4, which is 16, right? Negative 0.5 ms minus 2.